How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung. So open up your settings and then come down to find the sounds and vibration section. Press on that, and then from here you want to select system sound, and that'll bring up this list, and you'll see that the Samsung keyboard is currently enabled. So what you want to do is press on that to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. That's how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung phone. Thank you for watching.